Hey goons, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna show you guys what's in this box, okay? Let me move y'all down. I feel like y'all high. Boom. All right, okay, so as you guys know, a couple of videos ago I showed you guys that I got a Cricut, but I did not have a press machine. For the most part, I was doing the iron-on method, but it just wasn't working out for me, which I knew I needed a press machine. So, ta-da! Okay, I ordered myself a press machine because, like I just said, the iron-on method was just not classy. You know what I'm saying? So, I ordered this press machine from Amazon. So that's why I'm here today to do an unboxing, all right? I wanted the one that was like 5-in-1 or 4-in-1 or 8-in-1 or whatever in one, because I wanted it to be able to do cups and hats and you know all that. But I just decided to go ahead and get a regular press machine for now, since I'm just, you know, kind of starting off with this crafting business. And I'm like, if I get more into it and need one with a, you know, cup press and a hat press and all that other good stuff, I will just give me another one, but that's later down the road. For starters, I'm just gonna get a regular press machine. So that's what's in the box. With that being said, let's open her up. All right, so I end up getting one from FancierStudio. It's a 15 by 15 press machine. I really hope I can get it out the box by myself, because it was kind of heavy putting it up here. Okay, but I'm so excited. I actually seen the difference between doing it like iron on and doing it with a press machine. I was like, oh, that's when I made the decision that day, order the press machine. All right, Jesus, they really make sure it's in there, right? I appreciate it though. Keep my package classy. All right, so we opening her up. Styrofoam. All right, I think I should maybe sit it on the floor and then take it out, because where am I going to sit it once I take it out? Okay. Let me tell you something. A back problem, don't get one of those. All right. All right, so let's get this puppy out the box. Oh snap, see, look at that. Could have definitely hurt myself. Oh, Jesus Christ. I actually imagined it. I actually thought it was gonna be a little bit heavier than that getting it out the box. All right, but here we are. Okay. Okay, so super excited.
So excited. So excited.
Okay, let's move this out of my way. Okay, so D&G heat press. FancierStudio is the maker. Okay, so 15 by 15. Let me bring y'all close upon it, okay? This is what we got here. I actually thought it was all black because that's what it said on the thing, but that's neither here or there. Let's lift this up. Wait, first, what is this? Don't know. Okay, yes. All right. So it has this nice little padding here. This is the actual iron part that's gonna be pressing the stuff onto the shirt. Got your good old handle here. Here's your on and off. The plug. I guess it's for pressure and all that. You got your timer here and temperature. And yeah, this is what we got. All right, you know, it got this whole lock. It's not so hard to pull up, which is great. Well, maybe if I do this, I don't know. I gotta play around with it, get to know it, and see what this baby do. You know what I'm saying? But for the most part, this is my machine. And I'm so super excited. Okay, like y'all, I do got a design that I actually want to print out right now. So maybe we'll do that. Maybe we'll just print something up on this here Cricut and see what this puppy does, okay? But let me get to know it a little bit. Let me read up on it, and I'm gonna come right back so we can make something, okay? Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so I got it plugged up, and you gotta wait a little second. It says it takes about 20 to 30 minutes for it to heat up to the temperature you would like it to be when pressing your t-shirt. I put it at 350, so right now it's at 153. I was wondering what this is. It's a heat press like paper. So I'm waiting for it to hit the 350, and I guess it'll let me know when it's ready. And then we're gonna, you know, try to press a t-shirt. By the way, this is one of my t-shirts that I did make. Okay. Y'all read it? I'm just waiting for it to heat up. Meanwhile, I'm going to print what I want to press onto a shirt out, and then we'll go from there. All right, so I'm back. It's heated up. I said 350, but it's at 349. I got something that I'm about to print out on the Cricut. I feel like I gotta get to know like measurements and all that. I feel like I use a lot of vinyl because I be trying to make sure it's big enough so you can see it. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna figure all that out so I can learn how to use less vinyl when I'm doing things. This mess is hot, y'all. I'm smoking in here, all right? Anyway, I got my stuff ready to get printed out on the Cricut. Okay, let's move this forward because I think it's going to. All right, so anyway, you have it here on the screen. Let me bring y'all closer so y'all can see. All right, But yeah, so you have what you're gonna print out from your design space here, all right? This is why I be saying I feel like I use a lot of vinyl because I guess it's too big, so it's gonna print sideways. But I feel like if I did it like smaller, then you wasn't gonna be able to, it wasn't gonna be big enough. So we're gonna see how it turns out, all right? But put it here on the design space. You go down here to continue, okay? It's my, at least one image is larger. Okay. It's kind of big, okay? So, you know, my machine is already selected. I got iron on, the mirror is on. All right, so we're gonna load this thing into here. Zagaza, zagaza. All right, and then you press this button to load it. I kind of like hold it in a little bit to make sure it's in there. Y'all know what I'm saying? And then when it's ready to cut, this little seat is going to begin lighting up, and then you press it. Goes over here to preparing. It sucks the machine in. Hold on, let's make sure I got enough room. I don't want it to be messing up. All right, okay. And now you wait for it to be done. Here's the percent, and it's doing what it do. right here. All right. All right, boom, 100% done. Okay, you press this button here and then it comes out. Okay, and now you gotta weed it and all that other good stuff. So let me do that and then I'm gonna come right back. Y'all, let me tell you something. I finally understand what people say when they say it's hard to weed glitter vinyl. Okay, I've been weeding the same piece for goddamn 2 hours. Okay, I don't know if it was 2 hours, but I'm gonna just say 2 hours because I'm dramatic. But it took a long time. I had to turn the machine off because I had to get this together. It was driving me crazy. But I finally got it out. And honestly, I don't even know if this is the right kind of vinyl that's supposed to be ironed on here. But we about to find out, okay? Oh shit, come on now, buddy. Come on now, little buddy. Sheesh, y'all, this glitter vinyl is definitely the effing devil. It makes me not want to use glitter vinyl anymore in my entire life, all right? Where did I put that shirt? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Found it. Found it. All right. It's still heating back up, but I'm just gonna get the shirt like position right. You know, I'm using this here handle as the center point because the handle is in the center, you know? But anyway, let's see. Let's see, bit buddy, little buddy. You got to be careful with this. You got to make sure you got the right. Woo! Who knew it took so much to make a shirt, Jesus, you know? All right, let me let this heat back up. Then it's pressing time. Oh, you guys, I'm so tired. Okay, so anyway, the machine, light in the way. The machine is finally heated up again, okay? And this is where we at with it. This is what it's gonna say. This is what it's gonna do, all right? Let's just hope that I got it centered right and that vinyl there is what I need, all right? Because I'm not sure if that's the right kind of vinyl for iron on. They gave it to me for the free $3.99 and said create something, so I'm create something. Anyway, let's see. Let me just make sure one more time everything is where I want it to be before I press it out. Because after that, baby, it's over. It's done. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. Here we go. I'm so scared. This thing counts down from 8. I think I'm gonna change that timer to like 12 though, so I'm gonna leave it on there for a couple of seconds. After that's letting me know it's ready, I'm gonna lift it up. I'm gonna lift that thing up and do it again. I don't think that yellow glitter one, after it took me 38 minutes to weed it out, I don't think it's what I need. But we gonna lay that down again. Hold on, let me fix the time right now. It's actually at a 10-second. Let's do like a 13. Never be surprised how much 3 seconds make. All right, it's the counting down. Okay, it's finished. Moment of the truth. Okay, it's hot up under there, boy, I tell you. Okay, so that part is looking lit. Okay. Oh, those 2 dots. I gotta fix that. Give me a second, I'll fix that. This is the part I'm worried about. Oh, okay, let's start from the bottom. You guys, I'm so excited. And I just can't hide it. Yes, this was the part I was scared about. You better be pressed on there, goddamn. Yes, Lord. Yes. Ooh, baby. Oh, we lit, baby. Oh, we lit. I gotta put my other couple of dots on there because they did not come off the vinyl. But I think it's because I accidentally peeled them off to start with and probably placed them back the wrong way. So I'm about to fix that real quick. I'll be right back. All right, I fixed it. It took me a little minute, but I got my dots to stick. So here's my shirt, you guys. And justice for Breonna Taylor. Yeah, we haven't forgotten. Ooh, this is a flame. Turn up. Turn this off, bro. Cause this goddamn press machine got me hot. Just make it hot. All right. Ow, god dang. Ooh, I thought them dots was gonna make me mad, boy. Yeah. This is exciting. I love it. Y'all, but that glitter freaking vinyl gave me an issue, boy. I tell you that. But look at this. Oh, shit, can I burn myself? Look at my finished product. You better. Listen, I don't know if I can make somebody else the one with some glitter. They might get some regular old yellow. All right, some regular old yellow vinyl. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. I'm so excited. And this press machine made it so easy. If I would have had to iron this on, it would have been an issue. Anyway, so I'm done. This is my press machine that just made me so happy, okay? I said it's the FancierStudio 15 by 15, and it's lit, okay? It's lit. When I get more into crafting and all that, I will purchase the ones that do like cups and all that, because I'm trying to create. All right, I'm trying to create. But yes, this is my first project using the press machine, and I'm so in love. I'm so in love, y'all. All right, more things to come, but that is it for this video. If you like this video, make sure you like this video by giving it a thumbs up. Leave some comments down below and share it with your friends, all your cool friends who into crafting. They can give me some tips, because I need tips. I need to follow people who be creating lit content. I mean, not content, lit crafts, okay? So I can learn and try new things. All right, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. We almost at 600. Get there. Oh, let me hurry up because my camera is about to die, okay? But yes, hit that subscribe button and make sure that bell is rung if you want to see more of me. And if you don't, then don't. But you know I fucking appreciate it. Hey. All right, until next time, I'm out, you guys. Peace. Yeah.